What's up, you guys? It's your boy Drive-Thru here, and I'm here with my friend
Matin.
And this is a drive-through air horn prank.
Can I just get a water cup? Can I just get a water cup? A water cup? A water cup, please?
Okay, go ahead and pull it out.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. Hey, oh, hey, shit. My man.
Say what's up to the camera.
You just got a water, sir?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'm not sure the total. Let's think it's free.
Alright.
Hi.
She dropped the cup.
What's up, bro?
I'm so sorry. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine, he's fine.
Have a good night. Ah! Ooh, my shoulder. Is it okay for on YouTube? I mean, no.
No?
I don't know.
What?
No. It's okay. Okay. I'm so sorry. It's for a prank video. I'm so sorry.
Hurry up, get over.
Run him over!
What are you doing?
You want to come over?
He's right.